Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood. Sorry, but it's just started to rain. This afternoon we have an Audi A1. It's a 1.4 TFSI Sportback. It's Euro 6. It's start-stop. It's 2 owners from new. It's done 65,000 miles and it has a full service history, about 6 services, and we have just serviced it. Has the nice 17-inch 5-arm bi-coloured alloy wheels as an upgrade, and the silver roof as an upgrade. See, it's got rear park sensors. It's a 2015, as I say, 2 owners, full service history. Finished in blue metallic with obviously the contrasting silver roof. Inside it's cloth trim, sort of with some vinyl-y panels, but yeah, they're the sport seats because it's a TFSI Sport. That's DAB radio, Bluetooth, including Bluetooth music player, Drive Select. So you've got efficiency, dynamic and sport mode. It's got cruise control. Really well looked after little car this. Super clean and tidy. Really is in nice condition. I'll show you in the boot in a second. The parcel shop's there. We have got the boot mat, but we took it out to vacuum it off and I forgot to put it back in. But we do have the boot mat. Comes with an inflation kit and a jack, but no spare wheel, this model. I'll put the boot carpet back in a minute. As I say, rear park sensors, nice 5-arm bi-coloured 17-inch alloys. Front fogs, 2 owners, 65,000 miles. DAB radio, Bluetooth, Audi Drive Select, cruise control. DAB radio, music playback from your phone. Priced at £10,995, £10,995. Really smart little Audi A1 1.4 TFSI Sport. Really pretty car that. If you'd like to visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to look at our other stock, or visit us on our social media channels, Barclay Motor Company on Facebook or Instagram, please like and follow, or go to YouTube and find our Barclay Motor Company YouTube account, YouTube channel. And if you do, please subscribe, and then you'll get a notification every time we upload a video and be the first to see our fresh stock. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.